guys? Welcome back. I think today we're going to be making a 12 by 16 frame. I got a really nice canvas of my wife on Amazon the other day. I had it made, so we're going to be making this frame out of this scrap cedar that we got from this project behind us. Um, should be fairly simple. We're going to get some pieces of this cut down, and then we'll get it kind of routed out for the back frame of it. And then we got some of this scrap that we got from somebody for the backer to hold the canvas in place. And we'll kind of go from there and see how it goes. So hope you guys enjoy what I got going on. All right, so first things first, let's break these down to about 2 1/4 so we can get 4 pieces going. And get going. Get our saw set up. There's good. Alright, I will say the first time I saw it, it cuts like butter. That was really nice. Alright, so now we're gonna do 16 by 12. First thing we're gonna do here, I'm gonna take our speed square and we'll get our 45 mark right at the edge here, so we don't waste a bunch of wood. All the edges. We don't have to do this. We can cut our first 45 with our saw. I want to go ahead and just get everything marked. So we don't have to really measure next to it. All I'm going to do is I'm going to burn. Excuse me. Burn an inch. Or 2. And I'm going to do 12 inches on this one. One mark there. I'm going to do the same over here and put 12 inches on this one. Oh, I'm going to do 16 on this. 2. I got 16. I might have to grab another piece of wood. I don't know if this one's going long enough. We'll find out in just a second. And this right here is why. We'll measure before we cut. They're short. I'm gonna go grab another piece of wood and cut a couple more 2 inches. That's just what happens sometimes when you're messing with strap. Plenty of room on this one. Alright, so now it's just going to get some cuts and get our 45s put on here. Hey guys, welcome to Miter Saw. Already got it set up at 45. Get this thing raised up, and let her loose, and get these miters cut real quick. And then we'll go back over to the table. All right, now we got those cut. We'll go back to the table and start putting them together. See you there. All right, guys, so welcome back over to the table. So what I want to show you here is something that you can do. If you don't have a router, you can always do this on your table saw. So if you look, you take the blade and you move it up just a little bit right there. And what we got to do, we got to cut a little groove right here on the inside of this frame that we're making. That way, when we lay the picture in here, it'll have a place to set and we'll have a place to attach it. So I'm going to do this with my table saw today. I've already got the blade brought up just a little bit. So I just wanted to kind of share that with you. And we'll get going. See, I want to show you, just like that, a couple of passes, you have a nice, clean little groove right there to lay your picture in. So I'll get the rest of these done, and then we'll get to building. Of course, I'm not going to make you suffer through it. I'm going to go ahead and speed up a little bit. Alright, there you have it, guys. We got a couple of really nice grooves put in these boards. using nothing but your table saw. No router needed there. And we'll get them cleaned up a little bit, and then we'll get these things slapped together with some of that glue. So we back in just a minute. All right, so we are almost there. Let's get this cleaned up a little bit with some 180 on these edges. Now, if only I'd invested in some corner clamps to put these things together. It's all good. That's why we got brad nails, right?
On every dirt road and every stronghold, on the spark, I'm the flame, the damn parade. I'm Uncle Sam with the renegade blade. I'm made in the USA, where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks. We build, we break, we rise again with a Bible, a badge, and a ballpoint pen. Yeah, I'm loud, I'm proud, I was forged this way. Straight damn born in the USA. Got dirt on my boots and fire in my chest. Freedom tattoo across the Kevlar vest. Ain't just talk, I live that pledge. From the coastlines out to the mountain edge. Salute the troops, respect the shield. We fight for real, not some highlight reel. From cookouts to shootouts to sunset fades. We ride with pride, never throw no shade. I'm made in the USA, where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch clocks. We build, we break, we rise again with a Bible, a badge, and a ballpoint pen. Yeah, I'm loud, I'm proud, I was forged this way. Straight damn born in the USA.
But as of right now, that's where we're at. Nice frame. Almost ready to go. Now we gotta measure the back here and see how big our insert needs to be. Let's see, about 8, 12, 16.
We ain't perfect, but we're proud. Built on prayers and thunder clouds. And when that eagle starts to soar, we're the ones worth fighting for. USA, where the brave still rise and the strong don't stray. From small town roots to them city blocks. We don't run, we don't punch
she drops in. She's built, ready to go. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this thing sanded down. I'll let it dry up a little bit, and you guys see what's going on here. Once I get it sanded up, dried down, and burnt, I'll get the picture installed, and I'll show you guys the big reveal. So stay tuned. Alright guys, well, with the speed of film, you wouldn't believe what it actually took to get a canvas inside this thing and get it like almost straight. It could be straight, maybe not. But it's in there. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to seal it in there, and then I'm going to put a little mounting piece right here. Earlier I was over there working through my little box of wall mount stuff, and found some little nails, and of course I got some other little mounting doodads over there. So we'll get this stuff put on real quick for you, and then I'll get the big reveal done. What I'm going to use here to kind of seal that sucker in there, I got some of these little bitty nails that I want to tap in there. And the reason I'm going to use these little nails is because I want to be able to pull them out if need be. So I'm going to use a couple of them. Get this thing sideways real quick. I'll probably go corner to corner. Like that. Right over here and over there. Just not to hold it down. Before I can mount the picture. Okay. Like I said about getting these canvases straight, man, I commend the people at Hobby Lobby. Mounting a canvas is not easy. So there's that. I'll put that out there. And I could use the nails if I wanted to put this on, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to use these little bitty screws. So I'm going to go over there and I'm going to grab a screwdriver real quick. So we'll be right back to you guys. Alright. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and I want to find center. Just to make mounting purposes easy, I'm going to go 1 inch down. I want to find center. Do that. 16. Yeah, quarter. Let's do 8. Right there. 5, 6, 9. Yeah. So what we'll do from there is we'll take this little brass nail hanger and put the center of it right there.
Don't quit when it's tested or tried. You can bet your last dime and your name on a stone. This fighting heart don't break it owns. I was built for this, for the blood.
There's one thing that you know I haven't go through there. I guess you'll use the nails in. Put these one out. Go through. Just like that, there you go. Things as straight as possible right there. Back in there. Alright, we got the hanger mounted. Yeah, hope you guys are ready for the big reveal. It took me a long time to get this thing printed from Amazon. I don't know if you guys ever have sat there on the toilet forever until like your legs go numb or not, but when I found this picture, scrolling through my phone, looking at some pictures I'd taken a long time ago, I was like, man, I think my wife would really appreciate this picture, so I had to have it put it on canvas, and I hope you guys really enjoy. I know she's gonna enjoy it, so I'm gonna go in there and hang it in the bathroom. There you go. What do you think? That's awesome, doesn't she? I can't wait to get that in there. She's gonna love it. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. I really enjoy doing things like this, making little projects. I really enjoy making people laugh, helping people out, and just having a good time all around. So, like, share, subscribe, shoot me a message, whatever. Let me know if you want to see anything else. Go check out my merch store. Thank you guys for watching, and y'all have a good night. Hey you guys, how you doing? It's DIY Guy here. So I came up with the idea that I want to do a giveaway. So what I'm looking for is the best caption on this photo. So like, comment with the best caption, and share. And this build right here is going to go to one lucky winner. I'm going to give it about, we'll say 30 days. And I'll do another video with a drawing with everybody's name in a hat. And one lucky winner, don't care where you are, I'm going to send this to you. So good luck to everybody. And we'll see what we can get jokes out of. See you guys on the next one.